Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to easily fix wireless charging not working on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. First, you need to realize how to place the phone properly. We have the screen, but we look for the back finish. I've got Alcantara, and here we have the wireless charger, not up here or in the middle, it's down here. Let me place the part that doesn't work, then I'll fold the phone and place it on the charger, and as you can see, it is charging. It even says wireless charging may increase battery consumption, but that's normal. This is the only correct alignment, so the phone fits. As you can see, it's not charging if placed incorrectly. There's no point. Since the phone is hanging off, we can simply fold it and it will still charge. Make sure you place your phone correctly. If you have any case, remove them. This is very important because sometimes the case is too thick and may block the wireless charging energy. Take the case off and see if it works without it. If it works, you found your issue. If there's no difference, update your software to fix any glitches, since wireless charging is enabled by default. There's no setting like this in battery options. The only thing here is power sharing, but that charges other devices, not yours. Wireless charging is automatically enabled whenever it detects charging, and it turns NFC off automatically. Scroll to System Updates and click Check for Updates. It's checking for updates. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to keep up with the latest software. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.